Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'm going to be trying a DIY bang perming kit. Now, in case you haven't seen it, I recently cut my own bangs. I have no confidence now. I'm so scared. Why? Oh my god, I'm cutting my hair. Thankfully, it turned out quite well. So if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out in the link below. Now, the thing with having bangs is that styling it can be a little bit difficult, or for me especially, because I find like, you know, when I wake up, my hairs are all different angles, and then like my middle part affects it, and so my bang always splits, and you know, there's this whole array of problems that come about when you have bangs. And so when I saw this kit online, I was like, hey, maybe this would be a good idea, because this will help set and perm your bangs into place. It's from a Korean brand. It's called the CP1 Magic See-Through Bang Kit. So in the kit, you get 2 solutions. You also get 2 different size hair rollers. Then there's a pair of disposable gloves and the instructions. Unfortunately, the instructions are all in Korean, but it does show you the different styles you can achieve with this kit. So if you want like a fuller bang, I guess like a tighter curl bang, and then men can even use this kit. Thankfully, we have Google Translate, so I'll just translate it using my phone. But in case you guys didn't know, perming your hair in Korea is really popular. I have a video up on my channel where I permed my roots. FYI, if you did watch that video and you want to like have a quick update, that volume, that root lift there, it's kind of grown out, and so there, this part here is where I got permed. If you can see, it just has like a little bend. I do miss the volume I had there, so I do want to do that perm again. But yeah, I did get a lot of questions asking me like what it looks like grown out, and honestly it doesn't really look that bad. Anyway, so that's the only time that I permed my hair, and I have to admit I am not a professional at this. I've never permed my own hair ever, let alone use a kit like this. Alrighty, so I'm going to go for this sort of permed bang look. I quite like how her bangs are looking, so I'm gonna aim for that. Now, you may wonder, where are my bangs? Well, they are clipped up, and clipped up for a reason. This is what they're looking like. I did actually trim them again after filming that video, so they are shorter now. And you see how it just splits in the middle? Like, if to style this, I'll have to like wet it again, blow dry it, and then like still put some wax, style it. So there's a whole process to having bangs. I feel like I've been getting really into hair lately, you know, cutting my own hair, cutting Alfred's hair, and now perming my bangs. I hope this turns out okay. I say that every time. I've translated the instructions. Man, I cannot see. I've translated the instructions. So first thing is the bangs to be firm, divided into triangle shapes. Yes, great translation, Google. Okay, so I just need to part my hair in a triangular part, and then apply one agent evenly, I guess solution 1 evenly. With enclosed lotto, dry the hair all the way. What? What? Oh god, this could turn out horribly wrong. Dry the hair all the way. Do I leave it on to dry, or do I blow dry it? Leave on the hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Wrapping is possible if necessary. What? I need to call a friend. Hey Charlotte, are you busy? I need your help translating some instructions for a video. Okay, so I shall wait for her response. I sent her the instructions. Always good to have a Korean friend on hand. Very handy, especially when it comes to products, because as you saw, Google Translate isn't always that great. Whilst we wait, should I trim this again? Do you reckon it'll be too long? I might give this a little trim. So she says just let it dry. Okay, so let's follow through with those instructions. Do not blow dry it. She was like, are you gonna perm your fringe? I'm like, yes. Charlotte's like, can't wait to see your new hair. Me either. I'm gonna be using the bigger roller because if I did it like this, God help me, if I use this one, it would be way too small and that would be an entirely different look. So I need to use solution 1. There's a baby right here. I'm gonna apply this solution. I'm scared. Oh, okay, it's gonna drip. Oh, I caught that. Okay, I need to be way more careful. It's a very runny solution. Oh, it stinks. It smells like a perming kit. Is that enough?
That's too much.
Is it possible to apply too much? I don't know. It just said apply agent 1 evenly. That's very even. And then I'm going to roll my bangs. I think it's really important how I do this because it's going to set in this shape. Stay. Okay, so I got a second opinion. Alfred said it looks okay, so I'm going to get some cling wrap and then just wrap this up like a bonbon. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry naturally. Do not blow dry it. And I'll probably wait like 10-15 minutes and I shall be back to put solution number 2 on. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to unwrap my bonbon now and then apply solution before dropping it. Solution 2. So it says leave this on for about 10 minutes. When applying in second agent to the eyes, be careful not to enter. I think they mean do not get this in your eye. So I think this is the neutralizer. Do I just pop it on top? Yeah, she just pops it on the roller. Oh, okay. I can see why they say be careful not to get on the eyes. This is like water. It's so runny. It's dripping down my arm. It's dripping down my arm. Biscuit, do not lick that. Oh my gosh, it's still dripping. Okay, I think I definitely applied too much there. Oh no, some hairs came out. I'm gonna wrap this bonbon up again. Now, as I was waiting for the solutions to work, I was reading up on how the perming process actually works because I am no hairdresser, obviously. But basically solution 1 helps us swell up the cuticles and it breaks down a bond called, I think disulfide? Is it disulfide bond? Yeah, so a bond in the hair called disulfide. And then, so that breaks up and then it molds it somehow, I guess. Like, I think it depends on what's the agent. I'm not really good at explaining this. But anyways, the second neutralizing solution helps to rebuild that. And so once it's like rebuild, whatever position or mold you've put it in, it actually kind of locks the hair into that shape. And that's kind of how it works. I don't think I was really good at explaining it. Sorry to all the hairdressers out there. Oof, I tried. It's okay, because this ain't a science channel. I'm really nervous because I did see some of the hairs move when I put on the second solution, so I'm not too sure if that affects it too much. I always send myself on an emotional roller coaster ride when I do these like hair videos because I don't know if it's gonna work. Especially when it comes to like a Korean one because I cannot read Korean and I was like, am I following the instructions right? Because when it comes to this type of this video, it's really important to follow the instructions. Now I'm pretty sure if you guys have like bleached, dyed hair and like damaged hair, do not go and buy a DIY perming kit because I think it could just like further damage your hair. You want your hair to be in a really good like state because I know this doesn't, it says it's like does it without damaging, but I'm pretty sure all sort of like perms do something to their hair, like some sort of damage. Just how much, I don't know. But if you have like bleached hair, I would not recommend doing this. Actually, I don't even know if I would recommend this to anyone just yet until I see the results. So let's just pray. Pray to the hair gods. Please smile upon me today. All right, guys. It is time. Yeah. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna unwrap my bonbon. I have a good feeling about this, honestly, guys. It's so wonky. Oh my god, did I perm it into this position? In the instructions, it doesn't say that you're supposed to wash it off. Like, the last instruction is just to blow dry it, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to wash off the solution. I had to like re-watch my perming video where I got my roots permed, and the hairdresser did wash off the neutralizer and perming solution. So I'm going to take this off. Please, let's all just say a quick prayer right now. Please, just say a quick prayer to the hair gods, please. Let's just I don't even care if it would just turned out straight. Like, if it turned out straight, so be it. But anything else, like if it was too curled or something. Okay, enough rambling. I'm gonna pull this off. I don't think you can even tell though, because it'll be wet, right? Yeah, like side view. That's what it's looking like sideways. But anyway, we'll give it a wash. It's not stuffed up completely just yet. I'll be back. So I look like a wet dog at the moment. I guess this is how it is supposed to look. So I'm just going to dry my hair quickly. I hope this works. So it's dry. Look at her sideways, guys. I mean, it worked, but I just don't have enough bangs now. It's all in the middle. I guess because I didn't do a big section, so, you know. I mean, it turned out better than I expected. It looks a little bit silly because I don't have like thick bangs, so it's literally like just like a middle patch right there. But on the side, you can see that it did perm my hair into like a C shape, giving my bangs more volume. And if I just like put the side bits down and spread my bangs a little bit, maybe it would work. Oof. Now I've realized my bangs are too long because it's really annoying because it's just hitting my eyes. I feel like I need a trimmer. I'm going to give it a quick trim. Maybe I'll try to blow dry these sides out a little bit because I permed it into the middle, so it's going to the middle. So let me just quickly try to just save this and look presentable. How short should I cut it? It's tough having bangs. It's an emotional roller coaster, that's what it is. Should I go shorter? Oh, I don't know. Just gonna cut a little bit shorter. Worst case scenario, in a week it will be back to its original length. Let me just blow dry it again. Okay guys, I think I'm back up the roller coaster. I'm feeling good about my hair. I think I saved it because I just blow dried the rest of my hair, because before that it was just kind of like, you know, you saw it. And then I had these bits here that I kind of just like brought forward, and so that kind of filled in the gap a little bit because, you know, before it was just all in the middle. So thankfully I have these longer parts from when I cut my bangs last time, and that just like adds to it. And then I just quickly ran my hairdryer across the rest of my hair. Yeah, I think I saved it. Good job, Tina. Alfred hates bangs with a passion. I don't know why, but he just hates it when I have this sort of like bang cut, but I'm just like, whatevers, you know, love me for who I am and not what my bangs look like. I think this kit actually works. Clearly, we can see that I have more shape and volume on the side now. So here's a quick recap of what I looked like before with my bangs, and now this is what they look like. Overall, I think it's a pretty easy kit to use, and I don't remember it being that expensive. If you guys want to try it out, I'll find the link for you guys and link it below. Oh yeah, it's so affordable. It's like $14 USD, so pretty affordable. But I thought that having this would make styling my bangs easier, but I realized I still need to style the rest of my hair to make it look decent because I don't have enough like bangs at the front, I guess. I think had I had a thicker bang, this would probably work a lot better in terms of like, it's just, you wake up and it's like nice. I still have to style the sides and whatnot to make it look decent. I literally use like, I don't know, like 5% of this. There's still so much left in the bottle, so later on I can continue to perm my bangs if I wish. Oh, why does it have a 1-star review? Who rated this? Someone rated this a 1-star. It says, speechless. I hate to curl my bang every morning because it'll damage my hair, so I bought this and followed the instruction. Did not work. Disappointed. Maybe she didn't follow the instructions properly because the instructions are a little bit confusing. You see, there's the catch. If you don't understand Korean, it could be confusing, especially when you translate it to English. So, sorry, Angela. Sorry to hear that. I guess in terms of the overall kit, it is a thumbs up for me, but disclaimer, you need to make sure your hair is in the right condition to use a perming kit like this, because again, you don't want to be using it on bleached, damaged hair because it might go frizzy, you know, it might fall off, something crazy might happen, and then you'll leave like a 1-star review like Angela. So you just want to make sure your hair is in a good enough condition to use a product like this. I'm not too sure how long this will last, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'll update you guys on this. But yeah, overall, I'm finally happy with how it looks. I was a bit like, what the heck did I just do? But with a little bit of effort, I salvaged it, okay? Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Tina Tries It, and I hope you like my new look. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Do I look Korean now? 안녕하세요. 티나입니다. 떡볶이. 감자탕. 왜 그래?